Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make crab drawing. First, gather your drawing materials like paper, pencils, and an eraser. Start by lightly sketching a large oval for the main body and a smaller oval for the head area. These initial shapes will serve as your foundational guide for the crab's overall structure. Remember to keep your lines very light at this stage, as they will be refined later. Observing real crab images helps with accurate anatomy. Now, let's add the crab's distinctive legs and claws. Sketch 8 legs, 4 on each side, extending from the main body. Remember to include the joints, making them appear segmented. For the 2 large claws, draw them with a strong, gripping appearance. Pay attention to their size relative to the body. They are often quite substantial. Varying the thickness of the legs and the placement of joints will enhance realism. Next, we'll focus on the crab's shell and adding texture. Refine the outline of the main body to create a distinct shell shape, often wider than it is long. Introduce texture by using small dots, short lines, or cross-hatching to mimic the rough surface of a crab's carapace. Don't forget to add the small eye stalks, usually positioned on top of the head, and subtle indications of mouth parts for a complete look. Finally, let's bring your crab drawing to life with shading and finishing touches. Use a soft pencil to add shadows, especially under the body, legs, and claws, to give your crab a 3-dimensional appearance. Darken key outlines to make your crab stand out. Carefully erase any visible initial sketch lines. Review your drawing for any areas that need refinement, ensuring all details are crisp and clear for a polished result.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.